So now we're going to create another table that is selected here, okay, and here we're going to show product. This is okay, this is equal to the budget, and this is this area. And for the column, match, no, this was the row, sorry. For the row, match this with this 0. Okay, so this is the amount. I'm gonna select this two, home here, like this. Okay, so I'm going to get the amount here. Okay, if this is the product and this is the period, I'm going to get this. I'm using the match function to get the row and the column respectively in this range and in this range, and I get the exact formulas. I'm doing everything. Okay, so I'm going to my dashboard now, and I'm going to select this one. This one, but I'm going to change the chart type. I want this. Yes, I want this one. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna put this here. I don't need to show anything of this. So axis, first of all, I'm gonna format this, and I have 10,500, and then I'm going to close this. I'm gonna select this. Okay, axis not available. Okay, oh yeah, we can keep them, but I'm not going to show the horizontal one. Cool, that's it. I can also say budget. I can put the title of this. I'm gonna put this down. Okay, chart title, and here we can say budget versus actual. Okay, so I can, in May, you can see, okay, you can see all this. I can also show text option. Okay, text field, this is here we are, red margin, left margin. Okay, we can also put the label a bit bigger. Here I'm gonna click this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this also to this, and I'm gonna change these colors. For so the actual is this one, and the budget is this one. Okay, that's good. And then you can also change, if you want, put this as a line. This is an exercise for you. Otherwise, as you can see here, just should display this in this way. Okay, you can also decide to have this in the format chat area. Fill, I'm gonna fill with this, or sorry, what was, I don't remember, maybe this, yeah, this one. Okay, and then you can also decide that this line is just this color. Okay, then you decide all these colors yourself. Okay, so you get now an overview. Now we're going to create a last exercise. We're going to define scores and show here the score. Okay,